everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell down below so that you'll never miss another upload. In today's video, I did want to talk a little bit about my favorite hair milks and leave-in conditioners. Now, I have used these items that I'm going to talk about today on both my relaxed, transitioning, and natural hair. So if you're interested in some of the products that I use on my hair, definitely keep watching. So first, we're going to start out with some of my favorite hair milks. So I was starting to get into hair milks when I was transitioning. So I've used a lot of these on my transitioning hair. So the first one that I'm going to talk about is the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Love Moisture Milk. And it is rice milk and macadamia oil for all curl types and textures. And you know, it says it has oils and butters to nourish, moisturize, and elongate dry hair. And this one I really like. Out of like all the hair milks that I've tried, which isn't that many, this one I would definitely repurchase. I love the consistency of it. It smells so good. It smells like birthday cake. You know, like the birthday cake, the vanilla birthday cake with the jimmies on top and the really good buttercream icing. This makes you want to go out and buy a piece of cake, eat the cake, because this smells so good. It's really good ingredients. It has the avocado, the rice bran oil, it has the slippery elm, so it gives your hair really good slip, especially when you're detangling. Really great to detangle with. I would highly recommend this whether you're relaxed, transitioning, or natural. It's definitely a keeper. So the next hair milk on the list is the Mielle Organics Moisturizing Avocado Hair Milk. And this one's for all hair types, so whether you're relaxed or natural, you can use it. And I've used it on, like I said before, my relaxed, my transitioning, and my natural hair. I prefer something more like this on my relaxed hair because it's like a lighter consistency and it won't weigh your hair down. I don't feel like it's as hydrating enough and as dense as I like my, you know, leave-in products to be. So I would highly recommend this for more so relaxed hair as opposed to like my type 4 hair, if you get what I mean. But it's a really nice hair milk. Gets the job done, you know. It could be really great for styles like I'm wearing today, like a braid out, or you know, some type of style where your hair is stretched, a bun, you know, where you just need to add that little bit of, you know, hydration and moisture into your hair. This one would be a really good choice. Definitely love this one. It has the avocado oil in it, which my hair really loves. Avocado oil, you know, it absorbs well into your hair without leaving your hair greasy. That's what I love about this product, because I'm all about products that don't leave your hair feeling weighed down and greasy. So this is an all-around good choice whether you're relaxed or natural. So the next one that I'm going to talk about, this one's an oldie but goodie. Like if you've been with me from the beginning, you will know that I used to use this religiously on my relaxed hair. I would moisturize and seal with this. And this is a leave-in conditioner. This is the As I Am leave-in conditioner. And it has like the coconut, the amla, the green tea, all very natural organic ingredients, which my hair loves and which I gravitate to. Of course, natural ingredients because they're just better for your hair. And yeah, I have like a video that I did where I moisturized and sealed my hair with this product. I use this as my moisturizer because I was relaxed at the time and I wanted something that wouldn't weigh my hair down. So I would always use this to moisturize my hair. I don't really use it now, but when I was relaxed, my hair loved this. So if you're relaxed, or even if you're natural and love to wear your hair like stretched, like this is one that I would highly recommend. It leaves your hair soft. It doesn't leave it weighed down, very lightweight. This is just, you know, this will always be an OG. So the next leave-in conditioner that I have, it's kind of like a multi-purpose product, which I like. I like that, you know, a lot of these companies will formulate a product to serve more than one purpose, and this is one of those products. So this is the main choice. This is the soft as can be 3-in-1 Revitalize and Refresh conditioner. So it's going to be a co-wash, a leave-in, and a detangler all in one product, which we love. It says natural growth and retention solution, which I love this product. I use it. I didn't use this when I was relaxed, but I use this now. And yeah, I never used it as a co-wash though. That's the only way I didn't use it, but it works great as a detangler as well as a leave-in conditioner, which is how I use it. I don't co-wash my hair, so I don't really care to use it as a co-wash, but if you co-wash your hair, you can use it as a co-wash. Like, it really just melts the knots away when you're detangling your hair. And yeah, it's for all hair types. So if you're relaxed, you can use this as well. If you're natural, it's really going to help with the tangles, of course, during your wash days. And yeah, I mean, you can use it daily if you want as a leave-in or whatever, or you can even like style your hair with this. It's just everything. I really love this product. So the next one I'm going to talk about is like one of my favorites. Like, this will forever be in my regimen because this product is just everything. I love it. So this one also serves multiple purposes. And it's the Melanin, of course. Melanin, hello. This is the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. So this one you can also use as a rinse out conditioner. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner, and you can use it as a detangler. So yes, I'm in love with this product. This product, I use it. I have not used it as a rinse out conditioner, but I have used it as a detangler and a leave-in, and that's how I use it. I love it. This one has the baobab oil, turnip root, and vitamin B5. Oh, I love this product so much. Like, out of like everything that I mentioned today, if there's one that you want to try this one. Like, trust me. It's thicker. It's one of the thicker ones compared to the other ones that I talked about. And for me, thicker products just work better in my type 4 hair. I really like to use this when I'm doing styles on my hair that, like today, the braid outs where I like stretch my hair and then I need like something to hydrate it at the same time. It has very good ingredients. It has glycerin, it has provitamin B5, like I said. It has amino acids, it has aloe vera juice, it has rosemary leaf extract, it has all natural ingredients in it. So, I mean, you're not gonna go wrong with Melanin. And the last one I'm gonna talk about is one that is kind of like a newer one that I've been trying out that I really love. I think I talked about it before on my channel, and that is the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair. It's leave-in conditioning cream, helps repair hair breakage, leaves hair soft and manageable. Yeah, and I used to see, like, when I was relaxed, I used to see like all the relaxed hair care channels using this on their hair. And I just like, I don't think I ever cared to get it at the time until recently, and I tried it in my natural hair and I'm like, what took me so long? Like, what took me so long to get this? Because this is like everything. It smells good. It smells like coconut. So, I mean, if you're not a coconut fan, you're probably not gonna like how it smells, but I love coconut. And this works great in my hair. My hair loves this stuff. I use this to moisturize my hair. Like, whenever I'm not heat styling or stretching my hair, I will just put this all over my hair, plait it up, and just leave it in for a whole week. Won't even moisturize my hair for a whole week, and my hair's still nice and soft. So I love this. I highly recommend this for type 4 hair. Like, if you're type 4 hair, please get this. Please get this. Even if you're relaxed, get it. You know why? Because it just works. And one thing I like about this My hair loves thick leave-in moisturizers. They just really just get in there, and you know, my hair absorbs products like that. So I mean, I need something like this for, you know, the longevity of keeping my hair moisturized. And yeah, love it. There's no mineral oils, there's no sulfates, there's no parabens, there's no silicone. It has shea butter in it, which my hair loves, which is great. My hair loves shea butter, so I feel like this one is one that's gonna always be in my regimen because it just does everything that I need it to do. So that is pretty much all of my hair milks and my leave-ins that I have used and currently like to use on my hair. Definitely give some of these a try out and let me know what you think about them. If you have any comments or suggestions, or if there's any like leave-ins that I didn't mention today that you would suggest, definitely leave that down in the comments section down below. Thanks everybody so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.